Hi guys, what's up? Today we are playing Tower of Hell. And you probably guys are gonna hear me screaming because I'm a noob. I'm only on level 1, guys. Chill. What? How did I go so far? Never played Tower of Hell in my life. Okay, no, I'm too bad. Do you want to... Not fair! Not fair! You guys are gonna hear me scream. Subscribe and turn on notifications. If I don't make it this time, I'm going to the first house. I'm gonna leave you guys. Okay. That's it. Going to the first house. Just like us. Guys, if the first house didn't work out, obviously, I'm not going back to the towers. I'm joining a different server. That's kind of easy. I'm only saying that because it's pink. I'm gonna... No! I'm bad! I have 92 coins. Why would I get so expensive? Jay! Die! I was just making you guys get him after the end. It's pretty. It's pretty, guys. Stop being jealous. Okay, guys. So I think I'm gonna challenge myself and to look down every round. Ooh, woo, 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 woo! That was really fun. No, I cannot. I cannot do this big level. It's too hard. Ugh, it's too hard. Ugh. Get up. No, I'm sorry. No, you wouldn't. Switch that. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, guys, I'm switching back. Never mind. I'm not doing the challenge because I'm a noob. Every time. Okay, let's switch for the next one. Yeah, I don't. Whoa. A group. Yes. Group. Yes. Group. I am frustrated. No, we're going back to the new towers. I kind of regretted it. Because, yes. Okay. A new yellow level. Perfect. Just what I needed. Ow. Oh my god. That was no fair, you know? Like... I was gonna pick on me. I'm gonna go through now. It's so high. It always happens to me. No fair. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. But how did she do that? No. Hate these people. Oogity. No, why did you buy extra time? No. No, I do not need extra time. is the best guy, guys. I'm gonna go. Zigo. Oh, admit it. It's such a lie. You know it. It's when I can't do it. Jump. Guys, that is it. We're never playing Tower again. We're now playing Tower of Fun. Boom. Yes. Yes. I said yes. Did you guys subscribe yet? You guys have to. Okay, I'm not forcing you guys to, but yeah. But guys, I'll be right back. Okay, hey guys, I'm back. Okay, everyone has the new names. What? No. Someone's named OMG. What? I do not get it. Okay, I'm really good at this game, so everyone likes how much rounds? How much rounds have I actually won? One. I've won one round before. And I was crying. I was like, thank you, God, and myself. Ow! That was awful. Ooh, my accent. Guys. Anyways. A grip. Guys, I'm a Visco girl. See, I'm a Visco girl. And I'm gonna skip. You guys must be like, what the heck? I'll be like, guys, I'm a Visco girl. And I'm gonna skip. And I'm gonna skip. And I'm gonna skip. Turtles. Save the turtles. Save the turtles. Yeah, baby. Funny. Really funny, guys. Yeah, video singer, yeah. Save the turtles. Cause they get it on the frying pan. This I am French, sorry. Oh, bonjour. Bonjour. I am Addison. Yeah. Did you? 21. I actually teleported me up here. Okay. I want to get my cousin's walk. If you guys want to shout out, just tag me 59 times. If you guys just want to shout out, subscribe. If you guys really want to shout out, subscribe, like this video, and like all of my other videos, and make sure to subscribe to my other channel called Unicorn Netty. Yes, Unicorn Netty. Yeah, they have the same voice. Yeah, basically, me is my own channel. I only have 7 subscribers. Excuse me. Wait, no. Zungin bungi. I am still on the red level. I'm a pro at it. I think it's because I'm doing it on camera. I'm a bit shy. That's just for now. Should I nuke everyone? I don't have 60 Robux to just nuke. I am not wasting money. Just to nuke. Like, yeah, I would buy money. Oh. I'll get £5 to just buy some Robux for £4, but I can buy. Oh yay! This is so easy. Just walk. I can actually do that with one hand, guys. So if you want to see me do it with one hand, and guys, check out my TikTok. So guys, check out my TikTok. It is called. Sorry, my screen just froze. It is called Sunray XX Addison 223. My jump button even working. Because last time it wasn't working. Earlier 1 minute. Thanks, Jay! Besties! Besties. I just had my favorite. I just 1 more minute to just complete it. Sorry, I was just speaking a different accent. Set! Look at pretzel sticks. Okay, I'm jumping on pretzel stick. Grip. No, this time it's not. I'm gonna get out. Pew. I'm sorry. I just said Daniels. No! My earring! Oh my god! That's my earring! You got! I found my earring! Take a look. It's gorgeous. I know it's gorgeous. Bruh! Okay, here guys, take a little look. Never mind. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I will see you tomorrow or this afternoon or this afternoon. Not at 8 because I have it at 8 because I have school tomorrow. I started Tuesday, guys. That was my mouth. Okay, if you're funny, then you would believe me. If you're a hater, damn. Skip Chimuchi, still subscribe. And yeah, guys, I will see you later on. Goodbye. Goodbye, Nellies. Have a good evening.